Well, that was handy. Fuck.
Jeez, I measured that well.
Yeah, we're in the cat's whisker. Look the door. Who needs a door in the garage? Jeez, look.
Holy fuck, too, like. Oh, look at the oil. There's a good picture here. The oil pissing out.
Is it pissing out now?
Yeah.
Aye. Aye. So that looks like our trouble. Yeah, it's very. Yeah. It's,
Oh, look,
she's
it's a great view from here.
she's so heavy.
Look at this view.
Your hands are shaking. Yeah, she's fairly luring the oil out there.
Yeah.
We're just for letting the seat go. Where we? So that handle missing off that. Right down. Seat gone. And then we got to let the fuel tank go, isn't it? Fuel tank go there, them two.
Yeah.
So number 5, Alec key. Make all the bolts for the tank.
Just saddle up there.
Right, so we'll let go of the back lights. And there was 2 retainers there. Right.
And then it's just pop it out either side. Wait.
And one in the centre.